So in this video we are going to program the LCD display for the electric bicycle conversion kits. So these settings are for the Bafang front motor. So this is with the KT LCD 5 display. So let's see if we can turn that brightness up a little bit. So to access the programming settings, turn on the display and then press and hold the up and down arrows. Once that's flashing, you'll get the speed limit set. Press the middle button and you will get the size of the wheel. So 26 inch, 27.5, 29, 700C, etc. And then after they've all stopped flashing, press and hold the top two buttons again. You're going to enter the P settings. So P87 has to do with the gear reduction on the motor as well as the motor pole pairs. So on this motor it's 87. On most direct drive motors that's going to be 46. Press the middle button to go to the next menu. So this is going to determine how your speed registers. It's the amount of pulses per revolution. So on our motor it's going to be 6. If you have a rear geared drive from us, that's going to be most likely 1. If you have a direct drive, that's going to be 0. Set that to 6, and that's mainly it for our P settings that are needed. Once they stop flashing, press and hold the top two buttons again. We're going to enter C settings, and our C1 is going to have to do with the pedal assist sensor. So if you're using a basic pedal assist sensor, then you're going to have it on C2, like this style setup. But if you have our splined system found on many mountain bikes, or the easy setup with the two-piece disc, you're going to set that to 7. And after you're set, you can also change a couple other variables. C5, if you want to have a softer start on the throttle, you can set that down as low as 0 for a nice soft start. That's your current control. And once you're done, press and hold the middle button and all of your settings are going to be saved. One more thing to note is that if you turn on the LCD screen, you can press the middle button a few times. Your bottom value is going to be your voltage. You're going to get your odometer or your trip meter. Your odometer will accumulate, but your trip meter is resettable. So if you want to reset your trip meter, after the LCD has been on for at least 10 seconds, press and hold the top and bottom buttons and you'll see the top and bottom flashing. Press the middle button, it'll reset, and then you're all good. That's everything that you need to know about your KT LCD 5 setup.